Welcome to the Quarrix Double Roman Composite Tile Installation video series. Here at Quarrix, we believe that beautiful homes begin with beautiful roofs. When properly installed using our complete system advantage, the result is long-term success and beauty for decades to come. Before beginning the installation process, it is critical to read the Quarrix Tile Installation Manual in its entirety. While it is possible for a well-skilled homeowner to install a small roofing project by following the manual and install video, we highly recommend that larger, more complex structures be installed by a professional roofing contractor that has tile, slate, or high-end roofing product installation experience. In this first video, we will cover the steps needed to prepare the roof decking. All slate and tile roof systems are water shedding, not waterproof, so performance relies on quality underlayments and specialty flashing. After removing all prior roofing materials, we want to make sure that our decking is a 15-30 seconds thickness or greater. Use quality ice and water shield in all potential problems areas, such as eaves, valleys, and penetrations. In bulk areas, we recommend using a synthetic underlayment versus an organic. While installing your underlayment, cover all horizontal seams a minimum of 3 inches and end laps a minimum of 6 inches. Overlap all metal flashing to give you that watertight seal. Our tile can be installed direct to deck, but we recommend using the Quarrix batten system, and installers agree. It keeps and maintains the alignment of tile across the roof, speeding up the install process. Also, it allows moisture and air to flow through it, creating a cool roof system. So at this point, we've pretty much wrapped up all the preparation needed to start our job. Just to recap a couple of things, we've gone ahead and installed ice and water shield in some of our possible problematic areas, like our valleys or our ridges or down here on the eaves, before installing our flashings. After that, we installed our drip edge as well as our closed valley flashing. Then we moved over and finished off our synthetic underlayment on the deck, making sure to overlap to give us a nice watertight seal. Next, we wanted to individually wrap and install our nailers. These are going to support our cap tiles. Once that's all completed, we can then start our measurements to lay out our battens. On this one here, we actually used 15¼ inches to mark our first chalk line. That way it gives us a nice little edge over here revealed front of the tile. Making sure that when our tile gets installed, we don't want to sit over the edge like this. We want to make sure this lower closure is supported right here on this drip edge. Once we've determined where our mark is, we're going to snap our chalk line and install our batten. Next, we want to come down 1 inch off of our ridge to find our line for our top batten. We're going to snap our chalk line and install our batten. Now that we have our top and bottom battens installed, it's time to figure out the spacing for our center battens. To achieve this, we take a measurement from our top batten to the top of our bottom batten and divide equally, but never exceeding 13½ inches. When installing tile battens, you need equal exposure and matching roof planes. Quarrix tile battens are not structural support for the tile. Tile fasteners need to penetrate the roof deck by a minimum of 3/4 inch. Because water can flow through our battens, you can run them all the way into your valley flashing. This provides continuous support for your tile. Don't get ahead of yourself, complete one section at a time. Now that we've completed all of our prep work, it's time to install tile. That'll be covered in part 2. To learn more, visit Quarrix.com.